Now let's learn how to navigate your scene by rotating, panning, and zooming. Blender works best with a 3-button mouse, which is the 2 buttons left, right, and the middle mouse button, which also acts as the scroll wheel. There are settings within Blender that allow you to expand the shortcut key options if you don't have a 3-button mouse, but for this tutorial I'm going to stick with the 3-button mouse. So let me put some controls up here. To zoom, just use the scroll wheel and scroll back and forth. That can zoom your scene. To rotate, just hold the middle mouse button down and then just move your mouse. And then you can rotate around your object and your scene. And to pan the scene, just hold shift, hold the middle mouse button, and move your mouse. So those 3 actions allow you to navigate your scene or your object or whatever you're working on, and before you know it, you'll be so used to it you won't even think about what buttons you're pressing to get around your creations. Along with the interactive controls for looking at your scene, you also have view controls such as top, bottom, front, back, right, left, and your camera views. So if I were to hit front view, you can see the front of your object, and right and left is the side, of course. Now these are very handy when you're modeling for positioning. Along with these menu options, you also have the keyboard shortcuts, which is your number pad. So number pad 7 is top view, control number pad 7, bottom, etc. So whichever is easier for you. I tend to use the number pad just because it's quicker. But just so you know, you have a couple options for changing the view of your scene as you're working. So I'm going to go back to our perspective view here. So go ahead and give those controls some practice, and in the next video we will begin modeling our Christmas tree.